Okay, we are here at 759 Taylor Avenue in Ogden. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath property, 1,800 square feet. So here's the front of the home. We have a nice 1-car garage right here. It's detached on the side. So we're just gonna check out through the front door here. You enter in the family room with nice hardwood floors, very bright, very open floor plan here. Just to the right, we have a nice storage cubby with coat hooks, and we also have a closet here. And then just through this doorway here, we have the kitchen off to the left. Nice stainless steel appliances, nice cabinets, granite countertops. We have a microwave above the stove here. Nice tile floors for the kitchen, very bright. Get an angle this way. All right, we're gonna go back through the hallway here. Catch this closet we got here. Lots of storage. You could use that as a pantry as well. And then just to the left, we have bathroom number 1. Right here. Nice vanity, tile floors, tile surround in the tub. We also have storage right here, just behind the door, plenty of storage. Cabinets in this bathroom. And then just across the hall we have bedroom number 1 here. Again, bright, got a closet. And then we'll catch bedroom number 2 right here. Grab this closet real quick. All right, and we're gonna head downstairs, and you get to the basement from this kitchen area here. And downstairs we have this nice, bright, open family room. Nice wood plank walls. Beautiful fireplace here. We're gonna catch the laundry room right here. Got washer and dryer here. And I believe a little bit of storage right back under the stairs here. All right, this is bedroom number 3. Again, we've got the nice plank walls here. I'll grab this closet here. And then we have this in the hallway, nice storage, built-in cabinet here. And then this is bathroom number 2. This one has a shower only, no tub. Tile floors, nice vanity here. And then our last bedroom, number 4 here. Get a quick picture of the closet here. This is a super cute home. Great location in Ogden, 759 Taylor Avenue. If you're interested in applying for this home, you can visit our website at nvpm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit an application there. Just gonna catch the backyard here while we're right here. Nice big backyard. We've got a great patio. And then access to the garage right here. This is a great backyard, plenty of space, lots of room to run around, fully fenced yard. All right. Again, if you're interested in this property, apply on our website at nvpm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit your application there.